Hej venner, vinker.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to say, I can see that nothing has changed, in Danish. And not just that. I'll walk you through how to actually use it like a native speaker so you can speak more naturally and confidently. If you're learning Danish or just love languages, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more useful Danish phrases and grammar tips every day. Let's jump in and start learning.
Jeg kan se, at intet har ændret sig. Ja.
Means I, pronounced
Yigh.
with a hard
G.
sounds similar to the G in go. It's the first person singular pronoun in Danish.
Kan.
Means can or am able to. Pronounced.
Kan.
Rhyming with
Kan.
It's a modal verb indicating ability or possibility.
Se.
Means see. Pronounced.
Se.
It's a regular verb meaning to perceive visually.
At.
Means that, as a conjunction. Pronounced.
At.
A short, almost swallowed sound. It introduces a subordinate clause.
Intet.
Means nothing. Pronounced.
Ændret.
With a short
yigh
sound. It's a pronoun indicating the absence of something.
har.
Means has. Pronounced.
Har.
It's the third person singular present tense of the auxiliary verb.
Have.
Used to form the perfect tense.
Ændret.
Means changed. Pronounced.
Ændret.
With a short
E.
sounds similar to the a in cat. It's the past participle of the verb.
Ændre.
To change.
Sig.
Means itself or themselves. Pronounced.
Sig.
It's a reflexive pronoun referring back to the subject. Putting it together.
Jeg kan se, at intet har ændret sig.
Means, I can see that nothing has changed. It's a statement observing a lack of alteration. If you found this helpful and want way more examples just like this, check out my book, Danish Cramming. Master 4,300 plus words with 1,900 plus sentences for fluency. It's packed with real-life sentences, smart grammar explanations, and vocabulary you'll actually use in Denmark or with native speakers. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for advanced fluency, this book is built to get you results. There's an ebook, paperback, and even a premium hardcover version available. Whatever suits your learning style best. Just click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon and grab your copy today. Thanks for watching.
Vi ses næste gang.